where cooking is made easy for families and bachelors. And I wish you all a very happy Ugadi. Ugadi is a traditional New Year, and for this New Year, we do make a special dish called Ugadi Pachadi. Pachadi is something made instantly, and I'm going to share the recipe of Ugadi Pachadi and also the decorations I did for this festival. Simple decorations that I want to show you, with which I did with mango leaves and some betel nut leaves and some yellow flowers. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and that will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you. For this we take very simple ingredients, that is green mango cut into small pieces and neem flower, and we take sea salt or pink salt, both are fine, and black pepper. You can also use instead of it like green chilies or red chili, and 1 cup of Jaggery powder and 4 tablespoons of tamarind paste. And these are like 6 different tastes that we use. You go ahead and mix all the ingredients in the bowl, like the sweet, sour, salty, bitter, astringent and piquant. Like Telugu tradition, like it's a symbolic mixture of like all the 6 major flavors that we used in the daily life. After eating for fun, like we usually discuss with each other like how the taste is. It's usually significant, like how the year is going to be. Is it going to be sweet or sour? Like are you going to get some bitter experiences or like that, just for fun. This is a spring season in India, in South India, so that is the reason we get like all these fresh mangoes, fresh neem leaves. So that's why this is a significant of it. So once you put the ingredients, you go ahead and add 4 cups of water and just mix it with your spoon. So the Ugadi Pachadi is ready. Enjoy. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you like my recipe. Please do try it at home and post your comments. And wish you all once again very happy Ugadi.